Welcome to Prestige Automotives, Land Rover Freelander 2, a March 2011 on a 11 registration, and this is a 3.2 litre 230 brake horsepower automatic petrol, ULEZ compliant, and has only covered 122,590 verified kilometres, which is equivalent to 76,000 verified miles from new. So a very low mileage example we have physical and available here. It's a 5-seater luxury 4x4, and should you be living or travelling in the ultra low emission zones, most definitely a contender for you to consider. Simply because it comes with a 4-wheel drive system, 5-seater, it's a great size vehicle to be driving around in. 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. It comes prepared with privacy glass, side and reversing camera, which we'll show you as we go around in the video. Rear parking sensors, cruise control, heated seats, and also an Alpine sound system. And to take you inside the interior, straight away you get welcomed by the beige leather, extended leather here on the door cards, and as you can see, a very nice, neat and tidy condition. Controls to your windows, your mirrors, Alpine sound system, plenty of space in the door bins for any belongings or refreshments. Driver's seat here also in very nice, neat and tidy condition, electrically adjusted. It also has the retractable armrests for both driver and passenger side. 122,590 verified kilometres, which is again equivalent to 76,000 verified miles from new. Multifunctional leather steering, volume controls here on the right, cruise control here on the left. Condition steering, very nice and presentable throughout. Quick overview of the dashboard, also very nice, neat and tidy. Near side mirror, these are electric and power folding. Same on the opposite side. And to bring you to the centre infotainment screen, this is an aftermarket product the vehicle has come with, which enables Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can navigate yourself to wherever you need to go to. Other options are for Bluetooth, telephone and audio connectivity. This is a touchscreen system. To bring you here to centre console, we have your heated seats for both driver and passenger side with the 2 temperature setting. And just to bring you back up to the top, we have your side view camera, which is just here, which is based just underneath the near side mirror. And when we put the car into reverse, you have your reversing camera just there. Land Rover off-road options here as well, which is grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, as well as your sand option. 2 cup holders. Cigarette lighter, looks as if it's never been used. An excellent condition car. Ultimately, to appreciate its condition, we'd ask you to give us a call and book an appointment. And to take you to the rear passenger seating area, electric windows also here at the back. We have ISOFIX anchor point on this seat here and on the far side for them young children that you may need to carry. 2 cup holders, some storage space. Space behind both passenger and driver seat for your belongings. Rear carpets also present, mats. Headlining all intact. And at the same time, a very practical car as well, which gives you the option of the split folding second row seats. You could do the same on the opposite side as well. At the back here, you have a removable parcel shelf. That's just the registration plates to our vehicle. We'd ask you to also click onto the link in the description below, which will take you to our vehicle on our website, and you can look into some of the detailed images we've taken of our very own example, as well as our current stock list. Show you down the offside. This is a used vehicle, ladies and gentlemen, so there are going to be some age-related imperfections around the interior and exterior, but overall nothing there to be alarmed about or to report. You've got your 4 parking sensors that run across the rear bumper, your reversing camera situated just above the license plate area, privacy glass, You have a great size boot space here. Parcel shelf also present. Underneath here you have your full-size alloy wheel. You have all the bits underneath there to assist you to change your wheel over. Second row of seats are now completely flat down, and this now converts into not just a four-wheel drive 5-seater, but you can also use it as a work vehicle should you need to, or anything larger you need to carry. Most definitely be able to fit a good fair few suitcases in the back here. And not to forget, this is an off-road vehicle as well, so should you be doing any camping, etc., enough space here to also line the back. Show you down the near side. Quick overview of the roof. You can also see how much space you have from this angle. And to put the seats back up, very simple and easy, as demonstrated to you. Now ready to be sat on. Condition of the seats from the rear also in excellent condition, as expected. And to take you to the front passenger seating area. And to take you towards the front of the car, that's where your side camera is located. Front lights, side lights, front fog lights, hazard lights in full working order. And there we have the 3.2 litre engine running in the background, as you may be able to hear. So there we have it, guys. To recap, Land Rover Freelander 2, a March 2011 on an 11 registration, and it's a 3.2 litre 230 brake horsepower petrol engine, ULEZ compliant, and has only covered just over 76,000 verified miles from new. Finished in Land Rover Santorini Black Beige leather interior, and is a superb looking vehicle with a great specification. For more information, please do contact us on the details below. Finance and delivery are both available dealership facilities. And if there's anything we have missed out on this video, please do be in touch and we'll be delighted to assist you. Thank you very much for your time today, and we look forward to speaking to you very, very soon.